when we use transitive verbs in the past tense, the subject get modified and we use the postposition ne with the subjects. So imagine if you're using मैं, which is I in Hindi, मैं plus ne becomes मैंने. It's almost like I did. Okay. तुम plus ne becomes तुमने. तू plus ne becomes तूने. यह plus ने becomes इसने. वह plus ने becomes उसने. हम plus ने becomes हमने. आप plus ने becomes आपने. वे plus ने become उन्होंने. And ये plus ने becomes इन्होंने.